Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where we can expect a sizzling hot Thursday over the interior part of the Eastern Cape. A cold front moves in over the western part of South Africa on Thursday night, and we'll see thundershowers remaining in the forecast over the interior right the way through to the weekend. On our satellite, you'll see intense thunderstorms extending over the northeastern parts on Wednesday night, bringing in a significant amount of rainfall with it, and you'll see a few of those thundershowers still occurring over Limpopo on Thursday morning. Our satellite shows a band of cloud extending across the Northern Cape, with one or two thundershowers forming over the interior part of the Eastern Cape on Thursday morning. You'll also see fog moving in along the west coast with mostly cloudy weather in the southwest, and that's ahead of a cold front which moves in on Thursday night. We're expecting isolated to scattered thundershowers over the central, northeastern and eastern interior, extending all the way through to the east coast. It'll be a hot day over the interior part of the Eastern Cape, with partly cloudy and dry weather as we head further west. Cooler temperatures are expected over the western part of the country, and we'll see some evening light rainfall over the southwestern part of South Africa. Our rainfall probability map shows a large area of isolated thundershowers extending over the northern and eastern part of South Africa, with scattered thundershowers expected over the Free State, parts of KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, and then we're forecasting the possibility of light evening rainfall over the southwestern part of the country. There's a high fire danger warning over the interior, with runaway fires possible within the shade of red, and there's a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorm developments over Gauteng, parts of Mpumalanga, the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal. On our wind map, you'll see windy conditions over the southern interior, with a strong northeasterly wind along the east coast, a southwesterly wind gusts in Port Elizabeth, and you'll see a moderate northwesterly wind for Cape Town ahead of that cold front. It's a cooler day in the west, 27 degrees for Vredendal and Springbok, in the low 20s for Cape Town and George. A high of around 30 is forecast for Gauteng as well as along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. Sizzling hot for Pietermaritzburg at 36, and a scorching hot day for Graaff-Reinet, just shy of 40 degrees. We're forecasting partly cloudy weather for much of the day in Johannesburg. We'll see that cloud building up throughout the day with a high of 29 degrees and a light to moderate northwesterly wind. Light northeasterly winds are forecast overnight with a possibility of thundershowers and a minimum temperature of 17 degrees. Our extended forecast then takes us into Friday, where you'll see thundershowers over the central and northeastern part of South Africa, extending all the way through to the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. Light rainfall is still forecast for Cape Town at 21, with cooler weather and rain in the forecast for George. And then on Saturday, we'll see an increase in that thunderstorm activity, especially over Gauteng, with cloudy, wet and cool weather expected along the east coast. Things dry out and warm up in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.